Alright guys, welcome back again. So we were continuing our tour of XSL Labs. Let's check out the token section. So the SYL will be the utility token of the Pulsar distributed network, and it will be necessary for the creation of the SDI app for the execution of smart contracts. So basically, without this token, the system will operate, and this is their token named SYL. So what we have here, a huge number of tokens and the undistributed tokens. All the undistributed tokens won't be issued, so these are the ones that will be issued right now. And below here we see the distribution chart. For development they have 30%, for distribution they have 70%. The token symbol we know it's SYL. So SYL stands for Satoshi. One Satoshi is 0.000001. Number of decimal 6, maximum supply. Ooh, huge number. So the main areas of use about the XSL Labs SYL, they are access to service, smart contracts, peer-to-peer exchange, and SYL's use cases are mentioned over here. One, the access to various features or services installed in one. You can trade between users, also the creation of SDI, and SYL Library, the purchase of services or subscription. So that's all for the token section of XSL Labs. Let's check out the expansion section. So here's the expansion page. So XSL Labs will ensure the decentralization of the network and the interoperability of all the services within the SYL ecosystem. And if you're interested in the grant program, eligible projects and actors of the SYL ecosystem will be funded by XSL Labs through its grant program. So if you have any sort of projects you're interested, which you think will be beneficial to XSL Labs or similar in their field, you can participate in the program. You can just click over here and it will open your email section. So yeah, if you're interested, you can go there. So the XSL Labs offer grant and pounds and digital assets, fiat money and digital money, cryptocurrency that it is, and participation accessible to everyone. Okay. The program is accessible to all, as they've already mentioned. So here we can see some features are highlighted with pictures. Let's go through them. Understanding the program. So what it says is that when Pulsar goes live, they will fund projects for dApps external to XSL Labs. So projects which are outside. The goal will be to offer ecosystem different services and use cases as well. So it increases the decentralization of the network exponentially. So by supporting other people, they're gonna increase their own reign. That's what's the plan of XSL Labs is. So apps interoperability. What they mean over here is that they are going to create efficient user experience through XSL Labs. The aim will be to make all central ecosystem operational within the central dApp one. So when that happens, everyone has to use SDI, which will help them protect against data propagation or your data getting stolen, because it's protected by SDI. Alright, and then there are several goals for XSL Labs. They are the following: prevent loss of control over users' personal data, stimulate the adoption of SYL ecosystem, spread, one person uses, then the other person uses, then the other person uses, something like that. And then increase the use cases. Obviously, when people will use, different types of cases will arise, and then different solutions will be made. Then they're gonna be a major player in the internet of trust. So these are the three things they are gonna try and do it for their expansion. So this is how XSL Labs plans to expand their network. So that's for this part, guys. We'll move on to the next ones in the final third tour. Until then, goodbye.